All right, everybody, as you know, as I walk around this truck, and I'll show you the underneath side of it, this is our $600 rust-free cabin bed to go back on my truck to fix it after the accident at Tailgate Throwdown. Okay. Like I told everybody, another gentleman had a catastrophic mechanical failure. Throttle stuck wide open. I don't know if the throttle cable or linkage pinned on him, or if the throttle blades got wedged in the, carburetor or throttle body. I just know I got told it was like a 598 on nitrous. So that's a lot of cubic inches. That's a lot of power. And you just can't, strapped in, you can't reach down and grab the accelerator pedal, people, and pull it back up. It's part of why my truck was set up where I could put my toe under it and pull it back up if I needed to. But it is what it is at this point. It's over, it's done. Wipe your nose, rub your eyes, suck it up, buttercup, and let's get back to getting the truck fixed. I don't put any blame on the other driver. Shit happens. Like I said, this ain't NASCAR. We don't just rub paint. We fuck each other up when we hit each other. So it was just a test pass. My truck was making like 12 pounds of boost. I don't even know how fast it was going. I didn't even really get a chance to look at the speedometer in it. But like I said, it's over. It's done with. I want the man to fix his truck. I want him to come back, and I want to line up next to him. And I want to put any hurt or anything away. We line up next to each other, we run, we make a clean lick, we shake hands, and we go forward. And that'll shut everybody up too. But this truck comes from Oklahoma. The guy bought it to build. Last time it was registered was in 98. What's that, 26, 27 years ago. Same year my two youngest were born. The truck, like I said, it's got some dents. We can fix dents. That'll all hammer and dolly right out. That little bit in the bottom of the bed, we'll straighten out this little bit. That's the only bad spot on the whole cabin bed, period. That's it. Cab is super clean underneath. The bed's the same way. There's no rust underneath. Some dirt, some Kansas dirt, some Oklahoma dirt. Those states are famous for their dirt. But we'll get everything off. We'll set it up here on the trailer. We'll pressure wash it, and then the boy's gonna go to town and start getting all of it cleaned up, body work done. We got a new paint scheme for the new build. We're gonna incorporate a little bit of the colors from what the truck was originally to what it was, the gray in the accident, and a new color because it's a new build. And use some stripes and shadowing and shit to break all of it up. I think it'll look all right. So I'll sit down and draw it out, draw a picture of the truck and pencil picture and put all the colors in it, see if I like it first. I used to be pretty good at drawing cars and trucks. So I used to be able to do the old chip foose thing, sit down and draw them all out when I was in school, so I can probably still do it. And 8-year-old grandson's gung-ho. He's ready to go. He's ready to get Pawpaw's truck fixed. He saw the truck and just started crying. Hugged me, asked me if I was okay. And I said, well, yeah, dude, I'm standing here talking to you. Of course I'm okay. But yeah, we'll get her fixed. I'll take all the new shit out of the cab of my truck, put it in here. All of my wiring is all plug and play. So I can unplug everything at the firewall. I can plug everything where it goes through the back of the cab to the back of the truck. Just unplug it. It's all weather tight. It's all labeled. And I can just take the electrical panel on the dash right out of my truck, throw it in this cab, plug everything back up, and we're good to go. We don't have to pull an engine or any of that. I don't have to mess with nothing except the radiator and the stuff that's in the bed out of it. That's it. Get all the E85 out of my truck, get it winterized. And honestly, out of a 0 to 100% chance, there's a 50% chance it could come back with it's going to be a 532-inch motor this time, guys, or engine, okay? Let's be technically correct here. Engine, 532-inch. We've been building it for the last 2 years. It's set up for boost. We're either going to go Pro Charger this time around, roots blower. If I do a roots blower, I'm going to put zoomies on it. Or we may go back turbos. So, slim chance of going back turbo. I've had my fun with it. I want to go back to something I know I like, which would be a big, bad roots supercharger on it. Because see, all this racing that we're going to do, the boy might get serious with his truck when we get it done, which it'll be at Tailgate Throwdown next year too. I'm just doing this shit for fun, to do it with my kid. I don't care if I win or lose. I don't care about having a 4-second truck, 5-second truck, 6-second truck. I don't care. Okay. I'm gonna set the truck up a certain way. Whatever power or torque it makes, that's what it makes. However fast is what it is. But this time I do want to cut some weight out, because my old gray truck, with me in it and ballast weight in it, weighed 3,820 pounds. She was heavy. We're going to shoot for somewhere around 3,200 pounds with this truck. So, blower, if I go that route, it's going to add a lot of weight. So, but probably about as much as a turbo. And turbos weigh like 36 pounds a piece or something like that. I got on it 40 pounds, somewhere in there. But yeah, we'll get her fixed, get it back on the road, come back, what do they say, like a phoenix from the ashes. And the other gentleman, I know his name, I'm not going to say his name because again, I don't want him ridiculed. My guy, fix your truck, test your truck, come back, we'll line up next to each other, we'll make a hit down through there at Newport, and we'll shut everybody up. Okay? You can't quit, you can't give up. It's too easy to do that. If I can do it, anybody can do it. I'm 58. I'll be 59 the 4th of next month. I've got MS on top of it. I've fought that shit for a very long time. And I'm still doing it because I refuse to give up. Not giving up is what keeps me going. My kids, my grandkids. You got to keep moving. Like my uncle used to tell me when I was a kid, ain't no step for a stepper. Hold your head up and move forward. And that's what we're going to do, people. That's what we're going to do. And I think I didn't get hurt one bit for 600 bucks. Well, I didn't even buy it. My son bought it. Dude messaged him and he said, come on, Pop, we're going to go get this truck. And we hooked his Dodge up, his Cummins up to my trailer, and we went and got it. So, there's you an update, everybody. God bless all of you. Stay safe above everything. And if you want to watch the truck get rebuilt, 5 years worth of work is going to get done in about 5 months. So, yeah, this is a new beginning right here. One ship box to rebuild another ship box. Talk to y'all later.